15 Pro Max armored fiber case. Let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with the Armor Air case from the guys at Benks. So this is their Kevlar case and yeah, I'm intrigued to see this one. And there we are, the Armor Air. So this case I reviewed for the 14 Pro Max and I'll be straight up, I really liked it and then I was really disappointed with it as well. It was slim, it had a cracker camera guard, and it also covered the bottom and the top of the phone, but it had no Magsafe, and just no bueno. No bueno. But it looks like they fixed it, so there it is. So that's the 600D pattern of the, it's not really armored fiber, it's Kevlar. So, but that is that case there. So cutouts for buttons, as you can see. So there's no buttons on this case, very slim. There's our MagSafe ring and the layout, which is pretty awesome. Top of the phone there's your, as you can see, top of the phone is covered, as is the bottom. Then you've got your ports, USB-C, speaker holes, which is great. It's great to see in this type of case because it's thin, minimalistic. Then we have this metal camera bump as well with the Benks branding. Really, really nice. First off, we'll just weigh this case. 29 grams. Pretty lightweight, and I'll be honest, it would probably be lighter if it didn't have this metal camera bump. So it's a price I'm happy enough to pay. I love that metal camera bump, it's so good. So let's just put this in. And there we go, just like that. So like I said, no buttons on this case, so the buttons on the phone are exposed. To be honest, for this type of thin case, it's a trade-off I'm happy with because the top of the phone and the bottom are covered. So if you do drop it and it does fall and hits those parts of the phone, it's not going to be the end of the world. But no, my luck, it would probably land on the buttons and mangle them. No, my luck. There it is. That's that 600D. That's it in with the blue titanium iPhone as well. So it doesn't look out of place. It looks pretty nice. I do like the look of that. It's very, very nice. So Fitment, when you do get these types of cases that are so thin, the Fitment sometimes isn't great. So it's good to see here. Like if I hold that in the corners and just give that a twist, the phone isn't moving out of there, which means you've got a good strong fitment and the phone isn't going to pop out or get loose. There has been some armored fiber cases out there where they've had to send you little sticky pads or something to sort of try and block it out, but it's not the case here, which is pretty good. I'm glad to see that. So screen lip, then it's a very, very thin minimalistic case. You have next to no screen lip there whatsoever, but it is slightly raised at each of the corners here, which is not bad. It will lift it up off the surface, but you're not going to get a massive amount of clearance, so it will give you the minimal amount of lift up off that flat surface, which isn't too bad for this type of case. Camera guard, the lenses don't protrude out, they're well protected with that metal camera bump, and that's really good. So you set that down, your lenses aren't going to get scuffed up, which is great. Can't fault that. I love that camera bump. So 600D just wouldn't be as slippery as the 1500D finish. You know, it's very, very smooth, and sometimes it does feel slippy in the hand. You do feel a wee bit more grippy with this, and dare I say it, a little bit less susceptible to fingerprints, but not much. This sort of Kevlar / armored fiber type of case, they usually are fingerprint magnets, unfortunately. But it does feel pretty decent, pretty grippy, and it's that finish all the way around the sides, so it does make it grippy. And of course, with this being a MagSafe case now, we can actually do a MagSafe test. So I'll be straight up with the 14 Pro Max. This was one of the biggest disappointments for me. It was just not being able to do use this in the car, put it on a car mount, whatever. Really disappointing, because the other Benks cases that I've tried, the MagSafe was always first class. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, as expected. Those magnets are top, absolutely top notch. No issue with those magnets whatsoever. I'm glad to see this on this case because this makes this a 10 out of 10 case for me. If you are looking for a slim, minimalistic case with Magsafe, you're not going to go wrong with this. It is a real top notch case. And you know what? It's not expensive either. So, win-win. So, if you are interested in picking up this case, I will leave you a link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using one of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. So what do you guys think of this case from Benks? Let me know in the comments down below. I have a lot of people hitting me up in the comments asking me about the Benks Armor Air. So guys, here it is, and rest assured I will have the Armor Pro coming for review as well, so stay tuned for that because that is going to come and I'm looking forward to that one as well. If you are looking to pick this case up, I will leave you a link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using one of my links, then you've got yourself a good deal and you've helped me out. So cheers. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it logged to the channel. I have a lot more 15 Pro Max content coming, cases, accessories, camera comparisons, and even a full review. So stay tuned for that coming. And if you want to see some more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.